We have completed 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 4 and 5. We are going to learn inequalities on graphs in this lesson. So the value of the values of x for which the curve f of x is below the curve g of x satisfy this inequality. F of x above the curve satisfy this inequality. I'm gonna explain this using a graph. Let's say you have two graph x, y, and then this is f of x, let's say, and you have g of x here. They want you to solve f of x is less than g of x. So what you need to do first, you need to find the point of intersection of these two graphs. Let's x coordinate of the point of intersection. Let's say the x coordinate of the point of intersection is 2. Divide the graph through the point of intersection. So you have two regions, region 1, region 2. To solve this inequality, you need to look at the region separately and check in which region f of x is less than g of x. In other words, f of x, the graph f of x is below g of x. In region 1, f of x is above the orange line. In region 2 is where f of x is below g of x. So you need to take only region 2. But when it comes to solving, we don't take the region, we take the corresponding x values. The corresponding x values are all these values. X is greater than 2 is the solution. If you see a equal sign here, you put a equal sign here. Now if the same question says f of x is greater than g of x, the f of x should be above g of x. That's in region 1. The f of x is above g of x. So the corresponding x values are less than 2. X is less than 2. So that's how we apply inequalities on graph. First you need to find the point of intersection. So I'm going to take a question from this exercise 3F now. Question number 1. We have two equations, two straight line L1 and L2. I have made the graph a little bit bigger. This is a question 1 from exercise 3F. They want us to solve this inequality. So first we need to find this point of intersection. These two are linear simultaneous equation. We can solve it. X minus y is equal to 5. 2y plus 3x. I'm going to write this 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. To solve the simultaneous equation, you can just put it in your calculator. 1 minus 1, 5, that's the first equation. 3, 2, 6, that's the second equation. So you'll get 16 over 5, 3.2 or 16 over 5. That's the point of intersection. That's the x value, 16 over 5. But part A says find the x and y coordinates. Usually they are not going to ask you to solve the simultaneous equation. It will be a part of a bigger question. So just use your calculator. Minus 9 over 5 is the y value. So the answer for A is 16 over 5, minus 9 over 5. Now to solve part B, we just need to consider the x coordinate of the point and divide the shape through the point of intersection. So you have two regions, region 1 and 2. The inequality we are solving is this. 2y plus 3x is greater than x minus y. So this is the red line. This is the black line. So the red line is bigger. You look at the inequality sign. So in terms of graph, actually the red line should be above the black line. Or in other words, L1 should be above L2. In region 1, L1 is above L2. So the corresponding x values are the solution. So x is less than 16 over 5. That's all. That's how we solve this inequality. Okay, I have taken one more question from the same exercise. They want us to sketch the two function f of x and g of x and then find the point of intersection and then solve this one. Usually in the board exam, they are not going to ask you to sketch. They are not going to ask you to sketch the straight lines actually. You will be given a graph and they will ask you to find the x values that satisfy the inequality. So what I'm going to do, instead of sketching the graph, I'm going to take the graph from the marking scheme and then we will straight away solve the inequality. So for this one, f of x, g of x, I have taken the graph from the marking scheme. Now we need to find the point of intersection. F of x is basically 13x, 3x minus 7. F of x is 3x minus 7. G of x is 13 minus 2x. 13 minus 2x. So you just need to solve it, equate them. 3x minus 7 is equal to 13 minus 2x. Bring the 2x here, 7 to this side, 2x this side, you will get 5x is equal to 20. X is 4. We just need the x coordinate of the point. If they want you to find the y coordinate also, just sub in back here to find the y coordinate. But we are not discussing point of intersection here. We are discussing how to solve the inequalities using the graph. So I'm taking only the x coordinate and divide the graph through the x coordinate, through the point of intersection. So you have two regions. You need to find in which region the inequality is satisfied. So in which region f of x is less than or equal to g of x. In other words, f of x, the graph f of x is below g of x. F of x is below g of x in region 1, so the corresponding x values are x is less than or equal to 4. That's all. That's how we solve these questions. I have taken the challenge question here. The reason why I have taken this, usually I ask you to divide the graph through the point of intersection, but in this case you have 2 points of intersection. So first let's find the x coordinate of point of intersection. Equate the functions x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 6 plus 5x minus x square. So put everything one side, you will get 2x square minus 9x minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's solve this. 2 minus 9 minus 18 is equal to 0. You get 6 and negative 3 over 2. X is negative 3 over 2. X is equal to 6. Now how to solve this inequality? I have taken the figure here separately. Listen to me carefully. This x coordinate of this point of intersection is negative 3 by 2. X coordinate of this point is 6. So as usual, divide the graph through the point of intersection. Now you have 3 regions, 1, 2, 3 regions. They want us to solve this inequality. F of x is less than g of x. You need to look at the graph and find out in which region the f of x is below g of x. Only in region 2, in the middle, the f of x is below. F of x is the black graph, right? So for region 2, the corresponding x values are between these two. Minus 3 over 2 is less than x is less than 6. That's the solution. But what if they want you to solve f of x is greater than g of x? In that case, f of x, the graph f of x should be above g of x. So you need to find the region where f of x is above g of x. In region 1, the f of x is above the black graph. In region 3 also. So here the x value is x is less than negative 3 over 2, or here x is greater than 6. That's the solution. We are talking about 2 disconnected pieces. So the solution will be 2 disconnected values. That's how we solve this.